time to create our first learning module. Head to the Module Crafter. We're going to build this one from our own lecture slides and generate it in Portuguese. Under Topic, click File. Here you'll find your uploaded files. I'll preview the one I want, my lecture slides, saved as a PDF. LearnLab will use this file to ground the module in your own material. Next, the field and the topic. I'll copy them straight from the slide. This module is an introduction to quantum mechanics, and the topic is the quantum wave function and its equation. Since this class is taught in Portuguese, I'll set the language to Portuguese. Everything LearnLab generates will be written in the language you pick here. Now, tick the checkbox on the file we previewed, so it's used for generation. Let's expand the advanced options. Here I'll set the audience level, the curriculum, and the criteria descriptors, the learning outcomes I want this module to hit. You can add your own comments here too. These steer everything LearnLab generates, from the content to the assessment questions, so they're worth filling in. If you'd like, you can also fill in the module title. This keeps the naming of all your subsequent materials consistent. And now, click Create Module. Your file is compressed and uploaded for processing, and the AI starts reading your slides. This takes a few moments, so while we wait, here's what's happening behind the scenes. LearnLab is combining your slides, your audience level, and your criteria descriptors into a structured course outline, written in Portuguese. And here it comes. The index starts to appear, section by section. Let's scroll down and review the index. Hover over any section title, and you'll see the Edit, Insert, and Delete buttons. I'll edit this last section and add some text to its title. Don't want a section at all? Just delete it. The index is your blueprint. It's much easier to shape it now than to edit the full document later. Need more? Click Expand More, and LearnLab adds new sections that follow on from your existing outline. Finally, let's open the index library, and there it is, the index we just made. Click it any time to bring it back, and any changes you make are saved automatically. Next up, we'll turn this index into a full learning document and an assessment. See you there.